Hi guys, it's Alan from Currys here, and today I'm going to show you 3 things that we like about the LG OLED Evo G3 TV. It makes sure that you can see everything in stunning detail, it upscales the picture for non-4K content, and you get a true-to-life picture. And I'm going to head over to the lab now, where we're going to check this out in a little bit more detail. This G3 really maximizes the picture quality by giving you a picture that is so bright and clear. Now, it's actually LG's brightest OLED yet, and when compared to a conventional OLED, it can be up to 70% brighter. Now, this is most effective when you've got bright and colorful scenes, just like the ones that we're looking at right now with Spider-Man. I mean, wow, look at that. And really, it just makes them pop, come to life, and you see every single little detail. You really get the best picture and sound for everything that you watch. And the clever advanced OLED processor acts like a brain for the TV, upscaling all of the content you can possibly imagine up to 4K if it isn't already in 4K. It's also got enhanced sound, so you really do get a true cinematic experience. And you get a deeper, more realistic picture with sharp details and a rich contrast, as well as some bright colors. Now, the LG self-lit OLED actually means that every single pixel behind that TV is independently controlled. Plus, the OLED panel allows the TV to be this super slim, making it a one-wall design and a flush fit. If you'd like more information about this LG TV, you can pop into store, head online, or you can speak with one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.